I've debated ad nauseum how to introduce this, and I decided that just a cursory overview is a good start. If you want to learn more, you can sign up for the alerts, join one of the groups, click on one of the links to X, wherever. But this lawsuit initially is against the county of Solano and a mediator who worked for the county in Fairfield, California, who exhibited bizarre conduct, illegal conduct, unethical conduct during a farcical, impromptu mediation ordered by the judge after the judge was challenged about how they were representing the hearing process. They lied. After they were challenged about this issue, they abruptly ended the hearing, ordered us into mediation. 15 minutes later, I got a phone call from the mediator. The other party was in the mediator's presence in the court building. And this 10-minute phone call was something else. I was falsely accused by the mediator of very serious felonies. I was interrogated by the mediator. The other party never spoke. When I denied everything, the report generated by the mediator was nearly completely falsified and included content that was not discussed in mediation by anybody. After this hearing, I was very concerned. Well, after this hearing and the fake mediation, which concluded with the mediator misleading me about when the court would contact me about renewing the hearing process. I was told I would be called. I never was. I missed the hearing, which was later that day, a second hearing. And the court awarded the other individual everything they wanted in my absence. When you read about this behavior by the court and by the mediator will stun you. Has no place in our court system in this country. I went out, I hired a private investigator, a criminal defense attorney, and a family law firm almost immediately upon the conclusion of this hearing, or this mediation, to the tune of $60,000 to get started. The federal case accuses the mediator of specifically 7 forms of misconduct, some of which are criminal at the federal level. And what the court read and what was presented to them as supporting evidence gave them enough to work with that they wanted to learn more. That's why we have the hearing. This mediator no longer works for the county. The judge who was hearing this case no longer is a judge in the family court system there. And another judge involved in this case has had their cases redirected the last week or two, or so I'm told. In Solano County, we started the court process in 2018 after it was transferred from Idaho to Solano County, despite none of us living there. Not the kids, not the mother, not myself. It's been there ever since. It's hard not to expand on this, but I'll wait and let future videos and the evidence speak for itself. I'll be asking for damages to the fullest extent provided by law. I'll also be asking for criminal referrals where appropriate.
There's a million ways to die. Should have left me way back. Should have left me way back by the roadside. It's a bitter taste.